Hi. In this demo, we're going to take a look at the metrics and logs that are available for your cloud storage account. And the first thing I wanted to show to you is the bandwidth monitoring part. That's available here in the cloud storage browser on the left-hand side under monitoring. So you can see there's only one metric, which is the egress bandwidth usage. And unfortunately, this is only available per individual region, right? So it makes it a little bit tricky if you are having buckets that are multi-region, because as you can see, there are no options to look at the multi-region traffic itself, but it's always per region instead. And I don't have any traffic, it seems. That's okay. So that's the first part for bandwidth usage. Now the rest of the metrics and logs are elsewhere, right? So to be able to take a look at the metrics, we need to go to monitoring. And in monitoring, on the left-hand side, you can see that there is a metrics explorer. And there we can select a GCS bucket to be the resource type that we want to check. And then we can select metrics here, right? So there are plenty of metrics available, like object count or received bytes and so on. We can customize the time period and everything. And as you can see here at the bottom, there are different dimensions available for looking at that. So then the logs. Similarly, logs are available in the logging dashboard. So the thing that we need to do here is we need to set up the resource to be a GCS bucket, which is available here somewhere. There we go. And then the individual bucket that we're interested in, I just did something with the retention demo bucket. So let's take that. And that was a multi-region bucket, so I can select the location here. Add. And then you can see that we have some data down here regarding the individual log lines that are available. Yeah, if we run this query, we should be able to get only the bucket stuff, and that's true. So all kinds of stuff has happened here. These are the logs that we were talking about previously. One more thing that we needed to talk about was the egress bandwidth. So in case you're running out of egress bandwidth and you need more, remember that there is a quota for egress bandwidth. The way that you can add more, easiest probably is to just search for egress. There you go. storagegoogleapis.com/Google egress bandwidth. That's the correct one. And then you can see that you have certain amounts of bandwidth limits or quotas here. And if you need to change that, we just click on the quota that we want to change, and then up here we click on Edit Quotas, and then we add to that. And we also need to describe why. Then after we've done with this, a support request will be created for this change, and then that will be updated. And remember that you can only request a bandwidth up to 1 terabit per second. So otherwise you need to talk in person to people at Google. But yeah, that's it for this quick overview. Thanks.